Let's fixing Windows 11 multiple file open like this. Here is the multiple file. Great problem for normal using. Example, I open my folder. This is audio folder. See, when I go a folder, then is open multiple file background. See, every time when I click, this open a new folder, and when I go back, actually does not back the folder. This is not for smooth using Windows 11. So let's fix this issue. We need to find out folder option. So I can go the folder option by two process. One is click search bar, then type folder option. Okay, see here one. This is the file explorer folder. Here, this is file explorer option. I need to come this option. So the another easy method is just go my computer with this PC, and here is the my drive, and you see the three dot icon. Just click three dot icon, this, and see the option. So this folder option. This easy process to find these settings. So here is the lot of options. Just you follow this browse folder checkbox. This open each folder in the same window. Okay, just then apply. Okay, now I cut my disgusting folder option, then I will show you easy smooth method. Again I go drive, then I click audio. Yeah, this is the smoothing. No open multiple folder. Okay, so this is smooth to using your Windows 11. So I hope you understand this and already fix your disgusting issue. So thank you.